to subscribe and help the channel get to 150,000 subs. Hey Thaba Wethu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magesi 0. I'm joined by Baba Hunter and Max. Sorry, before you start, bro. There's a fly on our shoulder. Shoo. Hey,
thank you, brother. Yeah. So before Kiwala the engine, keep it there, brother.
Ah, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks very much. Thank you.
What's the one like we learn too much, bro? It's that into a simple. Bro, let team in the today.
Yes.
Let team in the practice today.
Yeah.
I get the one I do now.
Yeah.
One number 11 or number 12.
Yeah.
Number 9 Bolon Dimotlo.
Yeah, Mayela.
Bro. No, my number 11, number 12.
Yeah.
Number 11, number 12.
Yes.
Marcelo Allende, no my.
Yes.
So, bro, I get when we want to game here.
Ah, Munna.
Bro, give me a little show. We never practice, bro. Practice that for next week. No, practice as team. So, Bafetu, Masanda Wana, Kafla Relemo, Kalebu Atema, Nignalo, Masanda Rafela, Federal level, support everything.
We are here.
Since from the beginning till today. I so fair tomorrow.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yeah.
I don't take all the numbers. Hey, Marikwana Mutakomanga one chosa.
Man, I take that easy, man.
And I didn't jump around you remember God gave me one of the parents.
Yeah.
Negleda.
Yeah.
By the link.
But also shapa interview. Baukubi shapa interview. Shapa interview.
I can babule.
Why I'm chasing the flies, man? Don't you have doomed?
What?
Man, don't you have doomed? That's why I'm getting the checkers, man.
What's on the Please do a shout. Watch out. Please do a shout. I'm not a please do a shout. Hey, please watch out.
You know, Steve, if I'm supposed to talk about the game, it's gonna be Control C, Control V. Yeah. Control C, Control V. Copy and paste. Look at our results over the last. Let's look at the last 9 or 10 games. Oh, members, yeah. Let's look at the last 9 or 10 games. Yes. If I'm supposed to talk about the game, it's like I'm repeating myself. It's the same thing. Copy paste, and that is why we are so consistent. 60. It's a system, I mean. It's a system, and this is something people will never understand. They talk a lot in the beginning, and we are here just folding our arms, waiting, Master. only time can tell. Just watch and learn. So if you talk about the game, it's copy and paste. Let me use this opportunity to, first of all, give flowers to our fans. Yeah. All of our fans that came through all of the games. Throughout the season. And you know, there's those midweek games, there's few people that come as supporters. We understand responsibilities, family, and those things. Work happens, you understand. But those who show up, I want to give them flowers and say thanks, guys. I'm even giving myself flowers in this because I'm one of them that come. All of our home games, I'm here, and I'm not the only one. There's 57 of us, as others are saying. Others are saying we are 57. I'm giving a shout out to all 57 of our people for being consistent and showing up. It's not every game like this where the stadium is full and there's a lot of noise, and I want to give appreciation to everybody who's been showing out throughout the season. Also to you. We are fighting with you, but at the same time we want to appreciate you. We want to appreciate you. And when I say you, I'm referring to the platform. Not only you who holds the microphone, the one behind the camera, the one who looks after. You understand everybody. The one who's on the keyboard, editing, and those. I'm saying shout out to the platform, to the team for making it possible for us also to share our views, also to come and share our appreciation for the team. We're looking forward to the weekend.
You need to tell that man we need to come to more Sundowns games.
It's as simple as that. But this season coming, we're gonna solve that problem. Don't worry.
Yeah, we are coming here.
We have 3 months, 4 months to prepare ourselves and fix that problem. Long Delana done the right thing. He called you to a point of order. I called you earlier on in the season to a point of order.
Yes.
Put some respect on Sundowns' name.
Yeah. And I'm gonna
Put respect on Sundowns' name.
I'm gonna fix that, Hunter.
You can't prioritize people in Soweto because it's closer or whatever the situation is. Champions are champions. We respect them first. Until we lose the league, then it's a different story.
I understand.
Then it's a different story.
But I must start in Pito.
This is where it begins.
Yeah.
It starts and ends here. I do have a question. Are you going to the friendly games that are left for the season? There's some other teams that are still yet. They're playing friendlies.
Which friendlies are those?
We have the trophy already. So everybody else who still got games, it's a friendly match.
The Pirates game is a friendly.
All the games left is a friendly. So I'm asking, are you going to the friendly games?
I have to go.
You'll be there, okay. It's okay, my man. Go to those friendly games. Yeah, sure.
If you remember last week on the studio, I asked you the question, Steve. We are not celebrating for the win. We're only celebrating for a cup.
Yeah.
We saw the cup. Yeah. If you remember. Because studio last week we did Steve. Rona Arasa celebrated for win. Celebrated for cup. And then I saw what happened. Libo team said about the role. So by bone again. So maybe bata pamsari kaus. And then Chambaran Steve. When I team take a PSL. Team got more PSL. Diga mo PSL team.
16.
16.
Yeah.
Keep PRT if you compete for leading goal scorer and golden boot.
Sundowns players.
But I team F.
Sundowns.
Team said in the guy.
Adi.
Come on. Have a face. But that team said in. But Sundowns is a Yabola. Mara computer player say too much to me. Hey. Mara, come on, man.
Can I get a man of the match?
Before I do that, I do want to make this. If you haven't seen the stats, go and look at the stats of today's game and all of our games leading up to today. I need the other teams to pull up their socks, my man. How can we have 80% possession? And you call yourself a professional team? We have 900 passes versus 150 passes. This isn't the only game. Pull up your socks. We need competition. We want competition. We are calling for it. We want it. We need it, man. We want to enjoy ourselves also and also feel a bit uneasy. Like, hey, humble. We don't want to come and be. We don't want every game to be a lunch bar.
Obvious.
We don't need that. 100%. We want competition, my man. Man of the match. I have two. I have two. I appreciate what Mudau done. Mudau played a very good game. He played a very good. And I want to also appreciate Matthews today, man. Shame. He done very well also today. Who are you saying, bro?
I'm gonna talk about Bulondi. Number 12, bro. If coach, I got a chance, bro. Bulondi, bro.
Thank you.